The blanks. A computer spreadsheet is also known as electronic spreadsheet. Electronic spreadsheet. Press dash bar to select a row in which a cell is active. Press shift plus space bar. Press shift plus space bar to select a row in which a cell is active. A dash is made up of many worksheet, that is a spreadsheet. A spreadsheet is made up of many worksheet. One page in a LibreOffice Calc is known as a worksheet. So many worksheets together is made up a spreadsheet. Okay. Dash is an intersection of rows and column. Dash is an intersection of cell, that is cell. Cells is an intersection of rows and columns. Intersection, a row or a column, that is known as cell. A column in a worksheet is known as cell. The column heading displays dash. Column, in column heading, what it will show? What it will show, children? Letters. Letters. In column heading, letters will be shown. A group of neighboring cells that touch each other is called dash cell. That is known as range. Range of cell. The cell with the dark boundary around it is called active cell. The cell which is active, there will be black boundary in a cell. Okay. To select the entire worksheet, press on Ctrl plus A. Ctrl plus A. Now, true or false? The row heading displays letter. Row heading displays letter? No. So, it is false. Right there, false. Next one, each cell has its own address of reference. That is true. In each cell there is A, 1, B, 2 like that, an address is there or the name is there for each cell. You can use only mouse to select cell. No, you can select from keyboard also. False. A range is specifying the address of the first and the last cell of the range. That is true. True. You can't rename the worksheet. That is false. You can rename the worksheet. With any name you can rename. Okay. So, false, true, false, true, false. Next one, match the following. Control plus down arrow. Control plus down arrow, down it is, no? So, it will go to last row. Now, control plus down arrow, that is last row. Tick here. 1. Control plus right arrow to go to last column. Control plus up arrow. Control plus up arrow is go to first row. Remember this, okay, children? This is column and this is row. Okay, there is short difference. Control plus left arrow is going to the first column. Okay, so left arrow to column, up arrow to first row. Okay, so 4, 1, 2, 3. Next one is multiple choice question. Here is multiple choice question. Dash bar displays the name of the current spreadsheet and current program. That is formatting, title menu, title. Take on title. A dash is made up of columns and rows representing cell, which is having a formula bar worksheet cell for worksheet, right? So tick on worksheet. Row heading displays dash, number, letter, symbols. Row heading, it will shows numbers. Row heading will show numbers and column heading will show letters. Letters means ABCD. Okay. In a worksheet on the top ABCD is there and the right side there is 1, 2, 3. Numbers are there. So row heading is numbers and column heading is letters. Dash means overwriting or modifying cell content. Dash means overwriting. What is overwriting? That is editing. So tick on editing. To save a workbook, choose save as option from dash menu. Save as options will be all saving, opening, everything will be under file, right? So click on file. The dash consists of column letter followed by the row number, which is having address. The address consists of column letters followed by the row number. Okay, address. So this multiple choice question also finished. Now here almost all the questions are to write the steps. Okay, so once you writing the steps, just understand it and you can write it yourself, the answers. Okay, just understand the step, make it at least 4 steps for each and write it yourself how you are going to do it. For that you must know how to do it, then you can write yourself. You don't need to by heart it. Okay, the step ones. Okay, what is mean by worksheet? What is mean by worksheet? Worksheet is defined as a large sheet which contains data and information arranged in rows and columns. It is also known as spreadsheet. That is the answer.
Worksheet is defined as a large sheet which contains data and information arranged in rows and columns. It is also known as spreadsheet. Question number 2. Write the steps to select or deselect cell. Answer. Step 1. Select the first cell of the range to be selected. Hold down the left mouse button and drag it diagonally until all the required cells are selected. Question number 3. What is mean by cells and active cells? Answer. Cells are the boxes created by the intersection of rows and columns. Numbers, text or formulae are entered in these cells. Each cell has its own address for reference. The cell with the dark boundary around it is called the active cell. Question number 4. Write the steps for copying cells contents in a worksheet. Answer. Select the cell or a range of cells. For example, select CB2. Step 2. Click copy icon on the standard bar. Click the cell where you want the same content. For example, click on the cell B7. Click on the paste icon on the standard bar. Question number 5. What do you mean by sheet tab? The name of the worksheet appears on the sheet tab. The active sheet name is displayed in the bold letters. How to start LibreOffice Calc? Answer number 6. Step 1. Click on dash icon. Then the dash home appears. Type Calc in the search bar. The LibreOffice Calc icon appears. Click on Calc icon to open it. Question number 7. Write the steps to delete a cell contents. Answer. Step 1. Select the cell. Step 2. Click on the delete content from the edit menu. The delete contents dialog box appears. Click on the delete all checkbox. Step 4. Click on OK button. Question number 8. What do you understand by name box? Answer. The name of the active cell will be shown in the name box.